Hello all. This video is about the attempt to start running and reduce my personal best over the course of the distances. The main reason that I am recording this is that many of the people want to run but don't know where to start. So probably this might help them to stick out a plan and then start with it. So I have not been running for a long time, in fact never at all, but I wanted to give this a try and then see where it takes forward. So the following would be my first 7 days of training in an attempt to start running, and I have made video logs every day before and after the run, so which is what you are going to see right after this. And I have included my running distance in the daily basis as well in the video. So see you after this 7-day log. Day 1 practice in an attempt to reduce my personal best. I don't have a personal best yet, maybe it might be around 30 minutes, but we are going to try. Day 1 workout is over. It's a very short session, so completed 2 kilometers with a 3.5 minute gap after 1 kilometer. I couldn't continue, so took a break since running after a very long period. So the average split time is 4 minutes and 45 seconds per kilometer across the 2 kilometers. So hoping to do better. This is day 2 of the running practice. Today I want to run a little bit longer than yesterday and without taking any breaks. So maybe more than the 2 kilometers and without any breaks. Let's see after that. Day 2 run has been completed, so as you wanted. So I did run without any breaks in between like yesterday. So I ran the complete distance at a stretch, and I have run more than yesterday. So today I ran 3 kilometers. The average pace has been less than yesterday, so probably that's what did for yesterday. I ran too fast, a rookie mistake. So today I was well within the comfort zone. So my time was above 6 minutes on an average per kilometer, but I still think I have fuel left in the tank. So maybe tomorrow I can run a bit more fast for the same kilometer. So today's run was 3 kilometers with no breaks, and the complete time, total time was 18 minutes and 50 seconds. See you tomorrow. This is day 3 of the running. So today I am going to try to run the same 3 kilometers, albeit in a faster pace. So I am trying to increase the speed, but then after 3 kilometers, if I still have some energy left in the tank, then I am going to run a bit longer, but I will not oversee the 20-minute mark. So I will run either 3 kilometers or up to 20 minutes, but at a faster pace, trying to better yesterday's run. So let's see after the workout. Just completed the 3K run, so it was difficult than I thought. I do not have anything left, so I just wrapped up with the 3 kilometers. The timing is 6 minutes and 2 seconds per kilometer. That's the pace, so it's a kind of a 12-second improvement from yesterday. But then today's run was very difficult than yesterday. I think the body is taking its toll. So, but the run time is smaller, shorter than yesterday, but I'm pretty happy with the overall workout. I could have run for 2 minutes, but there's nothing left, so I just stopped at 18 minutes. Okay. So this is day 4 of the practice. So today I am going to try to complete the 20-minute run. So yesterday I couldn't complete the 20 minutes, but completed the 3 kilometers. So today irrespective of the distance, I'm going to complete the 20-minute run. So it's still possible I will round up the distance to a particular kilometer, either 3 or 3.5, maybe depends on the speed. So I am trying to maintain the same pace over the initial 3 kilometers. So yesterday the first kilometer was too fast, so I had to bear with it for the next 2 kilometers. So today I would like to keep the pace even throughout the running time. The run has been completed, so I was able to break the 20-minute barrier. So I ran for 20 minutes and 30 seconds, but the distance is 3.1 kilometer. Today the pace was not there. My average split is 6.3, 6.5 minutes per kilometer. Maybe the body is not recovering well. I think it needs some time because I play badminton on.
Start the whistles.
Maybe with better recovery I can able to run in a better time, but I'm happy that I'm able to break the 20-minute mark. So this is day 5 of the training. Actually it is day 6 since I took a off day yesterday. So it's very late in the evening. Still I'm gonna go for the run. I don't want to miss 2 days in a row. I think my muscles are very well rested. So I'm hoping to achieve that 20-minute run mark again, but with more pace, and hopefully complete with 3.5 kilometers. See you after the run. So I was able to complete the 3.5 kilometers. So I couldn't check out the exact time since my phone was wet. It's still raining. So it started raining since the 1.5 kilometer mark, but I still kept running. So I was able to stop the run after a while, after coming to the room only. But the approximate time is 21 minutes and 30 seconds approximately, something similar to that for the 3.5 kilometers. So the best thing was I was able to complete the milestone I set for this run, and also I was able to push through the last 1 kilometer. So I was able to exert more pace for the last 1 kilometer, and the fastest split for the kilometer is on the 3rd kilometer. So 2nd to 3rd kilometer it was the fastest split today. So I was happy with the stamina that I am getting on right now. So it was a good run. So the timing is also very good. So this was my longest run till today, and distance wise as well as the time wise. So as in pace wise it was like 6 minutes and 6 seconds or 7 seconds in that region. So it was still it is similar to my fastest pace of 6.02 that I achieved on day 3. So it's quite similar to that speed, but I like that anyway. So the pace is good. So let's continue for some more. So this is day 6 of the training. So this is again, it's very late in the evening, but still gonna go for the run. My target today is to complete the same distance as yesterday. Maybe to hope for an improvement in the time, but we'll stick with the 3.5 kilometer distance. So we'll set up a pace and then go forward from there. So trying to set that up to 3.5 kilometer now. Maybe increase the pace and then try to better yesterday's performance. Just completed a 3.5 kilometer run today. So the overall time is better than yesterday. So it's approximately 21 minutes and 10 seconds for the 3.5 kilometers. So this run is not so comfortable like yesterday, but I feel like this is still in my comfortable zone. Today's trend is a bit different than other days until now. Usually the 2nd kilometer is the slowest one for me, and yesterday I was able to push for a higher speed in the last 1 kilometer, but today I was not in the zone after the 2nd kilometer. So the 3rd kilometer was the slowest one with the pace of 6 minutes and 34 seconds. So it was the slowest split today, but the last half kilometer I was able to push through with a pace of 5 minutes and 11 seconds. That's a new highest split apart from the first day. So I'm very happy with the last half kilometer. So I was able to generate the extra pace. So if I had pushed for the last 1 kilometer, maybe I could have got less than 21 minutes. But it was not so comfortable in the second to third kilometer. So maybe I'm just settling in the zone. So maybe try to push further in the upcoming runs. This is day 7 of the practice. So after 2 days of running 3.5 kilometers, today decided to up the distance to 4 kilometer. So it's just a little over 10% from the yesterday's run. The pace is not important here. So the objective is to increase the distance and build up the endurance slowly. See you after that. So as planned, so I have completed the 4K run. So today was very much running within my comfortable zone till the 3.5 kilometers mark, and then unleash the full energy, full pace into the half kilometer. So the result is very surprising. So I have been running in splits of 7 minutes or over 7 minutes for the first 3 kilometers, and then the last 1 kilometer for the first half of last kilometer. So I ran in a pace of 6:46, which means it took 3 minutes and 23 seconds for the half kilometer. But the second half, where I tried to sprint the half kilometer mark, I was able to do that in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It was very surprising for me that I could do that, and I'm very happy with that. So in the end, the last kilometer was 5 minutes and 46 seconds, and the overall time it took for 4 kilometers is 27 minutes and 16 seconds. So although it is very slow than my usual pace, which I ran for 3 kilometers and 3.5 kilometers, I am happy that I was able to do a quicker last half kilometer, that I could sprint with a lot of energy left in my tank, and able to complete that 4 kilometer mark. Happy with today's performance, and with the entire run I started with 1 kilometer non-stop and then ended up with 4 kilometer non-stop. So I am happy with where I have come through. That's it. The first 7 days of training has been completed, and I am happy from where I have started and reached till now. So I started with the 1 kilometer non-stop run and reached 4 kilometer. So I think it's time to step forward and increase the distance and increase the pace further moving on. But I hope this entire sequence would have helped you figure out a plan for yourself and start running. So it's not harder like you think to start running, but in fact it gets harder on the way, but you can just keep pushing through it. So sports is not just only for the elites and Olympic athletes, so it's for us common people. So just all you need is the determination, grit, and the will to execute it. So happy running.